In this segment, we delve into the significance of positive affirmations, encapsulating their potential to bolster self-esteem and enhance mental well-being. Positive affirmations are powerful statements aimed at cultivating a constructive and optimistic mindset. By consistently integrating these affirmations into our daily lives, we can reframe negative thought patterns, fortify our self-belief, and foster a healthier outlook. Embracing positive affirmations equips individuals with a valuable tool for nurturing inner resilience and promoting a more positive self-image. Through their proactive impact on psychology, positive affirmations are instrumental in fostering a robust foundation for holistic well-being. This segment delves into the art of crafting personalized positive affirmations to align with individual aspirations and necessities. Through this comprehensive guide, viewers will gain insights into the process of tailoring affirmations to resonate with their unique needs and objectives. Emphasis is placed on the significance of authenticity and relevance in formulating affirmations that genuinely resonate with the individual. By aligning affirmations with personal values and ambitions, individuals can harness their full potential and pave the way for profound self-growth. This narrative underscores the transformative impact of personalized affirmations in nurturing a more purposeful and fulfilling life. This section illuminates diverse strategies for seamlessly integrating positive affirmations into daily self-care practices. Viewers will be guided through various methods of infusing affirmations into their everyday routines, including morning rituals, mindfulness exercises, and bedtime reflections. By incorporating affirmations into these pivotal moments, individuals can cultivate a nurturing and empowering self-care regimen. The narration underscores the profound impact of embedding affirmations into daily rituals, fostering a heightened sense of self-awareness and resilience. Through this comprehensive exploration, viewers will discover the transformative potential of intertwining affirmations with their self-care rituals. This segment delves into the dynamic synergy between visualization techniques and positive affirmations, elucidating their collective ability to amplify the impact of self-care practices. Viewers will gain insights into the potent combination of visualization and affirmations, understanding how these complementary approaches can elevate one's self-care journey. By harnessing the power of visualization to vividly manifest affirmations, individuals can imbue their self-care routines with a deeper sense of purpose and intentionality. This narrative illuminates the transformative potential of integrating visualization and affirmations, underscoring their collective capacity to foster profound self-empowerment and holistic well-being. This segment delves into invaluable strategies for upholding consistency in practicing affirmations and surmounting common challenges in integrating affirmations into self-care routines. Viewers will be equipped with practical tips for maintaining a steadfast affirmation practice, fostering resilience and continuity in their self-care journey. Moreover, the narration offers insightful guidance on overcoming prevalent obstacles that may hinder the seamless integration of affirmations into daily routines. By navigating these challenges, individuals can fortify their commitment to self-care and optimize the efficacy of affirmations in cultivating a thriving mindset.